A very good morning, children. Let's take up the next type of problem in the median. So the next type is locating missing frequency. Okay. Now the question says find the missing frequency in the following distribution if n equals to 100 and m equals to 30. So they have given you what is the total of frequency and they have given you what is median also. Okay. So the marks 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. Number of students 10. This you're supposed to find out the missing frequency, then 25, then 30, then this you're supposed to find out the missing frequency. Okay, and we know that the total of frequency is 100 as given in the question. So these are your marks. This is your frequency. Let's calculate the cumulative frequency. The first one 10, it's going to be the 10, then 10 plus f1, then 10 plus f1 plus 25, so it's going to be 35 plus f1, then plus 30, 65 plus f1, then f2, so it's going to be 65 plus f1 plus f2, then 10, that is going to be 65 plus 10, that is 75, plus f1 plus f2. Okay, and we know that the last number the total of frequency is 100, so this has to be 75 plus f1 plus f2 has to be 100. Okay, now the first equation says 75 plus f1 plus f2 equals to 100. Okay, so if you just bring this here, so f1 plus f2 is 25. Okay, so 100 minus 75 is 25, so f1 plus f2 is 25. That is your first equation. Now the second equation from the information regarding median, as they say that median is 30, so naturally the median has to lie between 30 to 40, so your median class would be 30 to 40. Okay, so m equals to L1 plus N2 minus CF by F into I. M is 30 as given in the question. Your median class is 30 to 40, so your lower limit is 30. So 30 plus n by 2, since n is 100, so 100 by 2 will be 50. So n by 2 is 50 minus cumulative frequency of the preceding class. So our class is 30 to 40. So our class is 30 to 40. So the cumulative frequency of the preceding class is 35 plus f1. And our class is 30 to 40 and our frequency is 30. Okay. So 30 plus 50 minus 35 plus f1 by frequency is also 30 into 10. Now 30 and 30. So 30, this comes here. So it becomes minus 30. So plus and minus gets cancelled. So that becomes 0. So 50 minus 30, 50 minus 35, you get 15, minus, plus and minus becomes minus, then 15 minus f1 by, we cancel this 0, so this becomes 3. So 0 equals to 15 minus f1 by 3, or f1 equals to 15. Okay, so you get f1 as 15. We can substitute that. In the first equation, we had f1 plus f2 equals to 25. So we got f1 as 15. So 15 plus f2 is 25. So f2 is 25 minus 15. So we get f2 as 10. So we got the values of f1 and f2. f1 is 15 and f2 is 10. So you can substitute the values here and check the total. Okay, so this is your frequency values. So the next problem is the same problem, children. They are asking you to find the missing frequency. f1 and f2 is not given, so same way we are supposed to do. Just go through this problem and try to solve the problems which are given on page 247. Try to solve the problems. Okay, so this is it for this class. Thank you.